In this video, I will show you how to remove website bookmark from your bookmark list in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser on your phone. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. This will allow you to create a new tab. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on bookmarks. Just like so. Then you have all bookmarks right here. However, if you cannot find any of the bookmark you want to remove right here, you can simply go back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to remove Acrobat. So for that, what we want to do is to click on these three dots right here. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on delete. Boom. So you can go back to your bookmarks right here. Then you have all other bookmarks that you have on your mobile. So you can open each of the bookmark folder. Let's say, for instance, I want to remove any of the bookmark right here. Like for instance, I want to simply remove this. I will click on here and click on here and make sure I click on delete. And with that, I have successfully deleted that bookmark. You can refresh and manage and remove as many as possible or delete as many as possible bookmark from your bookmark folder on your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Chrome browser on Android phone or iPhone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.